Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and somewhat controversial topic, the art of persuasion and seduction. As humans, we are incredibly adaptable, like water conforming to any vessel. But what if I told you that you can influence others just as effortlessly? In this video, I'll share 7 intense psychological tactics that can help you persuade anyone. But remember, these techniques should be used ethically and positively. Let's explore how to connect with others deeply and genuinely. Number 1. Use scarcity to increase desire. People naturally place more value on things that are less available. In love and relationships, by making your time and attention somewhat limited, you create a sense of urgency that increases your perceived worth. But how do you achieve this without appearing uninterested? The key is balance. Dedicate time to your passions, whether it's your career, hobbies, or personal growth. This not only enriches your life, but also naturally limits your availability. When you're with her, be fully engaged and present. Make those moments count. And when apart, focus on your goals. This approach maintains your individuality while leaving her eagerly anticipating your next encounter. Number 2. Start small, then go big. This is known as the foot in the door technique. It's like planting a small seed and watching it grow into a large tree. When someone says yes to a small request, their brain associates them with being agreeable. So later, when you ask for something bigger, like going out for ice cream, they're more likely to say yes again. This method works because we enjoy being consistent with our prior decisions. By starting with small asks, you open the door for bigger opportunities in your relationship. Number 3. Become mysterious. Humans are inherently curious creatures. We're attracted to the unknown. Think of yourself as an onion. Let her peel away one layer at a time. Share a little about yourself, but save some intriguing details for later. This keeps the dynamic interesting and engaging. Maintaining some mystery makes her more invested in you and keeps that spark alive. Number 4. Master the push-pull technique. This tactic is about mixing things up to keep her intrigued. Sometimes you give plenty of attention. This is the push, but then pull back and focus on your own goals. This unpredictability keeps her on her toes. When you push, she feels wanted. When you pull back, it triggers her desire to chase what seems just out of reach. It's like a game that keeps excitement alive. Number 5. Create a triangle of desire. Showcase your value subtly by letting her know that others find you attractive too. When she sees that others are interested in you, it elevates your appeal without making her jealous or anxious. Sprinkle hints that show you're well-liked or admired. This will subtly increase your worth in her eyes. It's not just about what you say, but how you act. Listen closely, remember little details, and show her that you genuinely understand her. When she feels valued and appreciated, it strengthens your bond immensely. Finally, number 7. Employ mirroring and matching. This subtle yet effective technique fosters deeper connections. By mimicking body language or speech patterns in a natural way, you create comfort and understanding between each other. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. These tactics are meant to enhance relationships, not manipulate or harm others. Always use them ethically and with genuine intentions. I'd love to hear your thoughts on persuasion and seduction. Have you tried any of these techniques? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into relationships and personal growth. Until next time,